there's snowflakes around me. There is indeed. And you know what else there is? There is going to be a green happy face. Boom. And one right here over this weird yellow snowflake. And you know what? You know what, guys? I was thinking, and I had a really great idea, so yep, that's how it was. That's how it was going. So, yep. So let's see what we can do. Oh my god, I almost threw up. My hair is staticky, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Anyways, whatever. My eyes look really blue. That's cool. Ready for this? Ready for this? Ready? Ready? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. Angry face. That's how you do it. Let's see what else we got. Let's make a sun. Let's make a sun. Yeah, it's a little bit nippy with all these snowflakes. We're gonna have two suns. Callie's world revolves around two suns, son. What you know about that? Oh, I think I was gonna say something, but that one didn't come out. You don't know nothing about that. I'm a little weird today, guys. I don't know. I'm running on something else. I'm running on something else. This must happen when you get a good amount of sleep. I don't know. I think I got a fart though. I did have to fart. I did it. There it is. I did it. I farted. I'm alive. I'm a human. I stink. That stinks because I don't know what did I eat. Oh, I'm eating macaroni and cheese. Cheese. Lactose intolerant doesn't go good together. Nope. Anyways, this is a 3-minute video. So, I just wanted to say something real quick. Whoa, it got bright. I just want to say something really quick. On my other, I will put the link in the description box. I want you guys to go check out my newest video. I will love you forever, even more than I already do. And more updates will be coming soon. I'm very busy this week, so that's that. That's why I haven't been posting. I haven't been actually really busy. I'm not just saying that, making up excuses. I have been really busy. So, yes. So that's that. Please go check it out. I would greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. Have an awesome day. You're all awesome. You're my awesome little creepers. Bye. Bye. My voice is really weird. Okay, bye.